All right. I give you a tougher problem this time because I give you two angles right off the bat. So I'm not saying go due north or go due west. I'm giving you two angles right off the bat. So this one's a little bit tougher than the other ones. So first thing we always need to do is draw an XY coordinate system. Let's say we're starting from home. The first thing it says, go 5 miles, 25 degrees east of the south axis. So if we look at this is the south axis, we need to go east of here. I'm sorry, we need to go east of here. Wrong way. All right, so we need to go east by 25 degrees. 10, 20, 25 degrees. And we're going 5 miles east. So this is 5 miles, and this is 25 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to check this again. South axis, we're moving east. Okay, south axis, and we're moving east by 25 degrees. Let me confirm that. Okay, 0, 10, 20, approximately 25, okay? Next move, go 9 miles, 40 degrees north of west axis. I don't even know what that means. Well, if the person's sitting here and they have a compass, they have to get their compass out and they have to figure out which way north is. They have to figure out which way east and west is. So all we do is we apply a new coordinate system just down here. Notice that it's in line with the other one, we just shift it down. These coordinate systems are just figments of our imagination. I just moved one over here to help me keep track of what I'm doing. Now we have to say north of the west axis. So this is the west axis here, right? And we're going to go north of it. Okay. So that's where I'm going to put my compass. So the west axis is here. And we're going to be going north by 40 degrees. So my compass is backwards. So 10, 20, 30, 40. That's going to be 40 degrees. So I'm going to take a line, and it needs to be what, 9? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here I am. Okay, so I got 1 done. I got 2 done. Let me confirm this and make sure everything's good. West axis, 40 degrees. 9 units long once again. West axis, here's what's at, 40 north into RTH. Spelled north. Now I keep messing up with these angles all the time. That's why I'm making sure I underline west axis, 40 degrees north, 40 degrees north. I'm confirming that with myself. I keep doing this wrong. So I always have to go back and make sure I do it right. And the last bit of instruction is now go 11 miles east. So I mean you can draw an XY coordinate system here. Okay, now I have to go east, but you already know east is that way. So we're going to go 11 miles. It's about here. Oops. I'd rather do this. I get the ruler to flop down right. Okay, so this is line number 1. This is line number 2, or distance number 2. This is the walking distance number 3, or driving, whatever. So how far are you from home? Here's home. So my answer will be this dotted line. Oops. Pretty poor dotted line, isn't it? So my answer, this dotted line. So how long is the dotted line? I am about 6 miles from home. From here to here is 6 miles. And the angle is, I can choose this angle here, I guess. I'd say about 5 degrees. So this angle right here is 5 degrees. And of course, you know, if you're just drawing it, you don't have to explain it, but I will explain it. It's 5 degrees north of the east. Because again, this is the east axis. Or you can say, well, it's this angle here. You can say this is 85 degrees. How did you figure out that's 85 degrees? Well, I know 5 degrees and this is 90. Or you can simply put this here, find out it's 85 degrees. 85 degrees, this is the north axis, and moving east. So 85 degrees east of north axis. It doesn't matter, like I said, which angle you say it in here, but I'm going to say it's 6 miles. This would be the answer, or either case, it's all right. But again, I give you a more complicated one because, again, you're starting off at an angle, having to draw a coordinate system, then you're taking another angle. You can draw a coordinate system if you want to, but you're just saying due east. Okay? And every time I give you another angle, if I said, okay, now he heads off west of south, then you have to draw a coordinate system and draw a line this way. If I gave you the angle. Then you have to draw another coordinate system and say, well, this time he's going south of east. So you draw off a line up this way. And then you have to draw another coordinate system, so on and so on and so on.